Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I make Japanese curry rice and udon. I will introduce how to apply leftover the curry rice curry to curry udon. Let's make a rich taste and delicious Japanese curry together. Lastly, I'll introduce the traditional Japanese festival in Aomori, so please watch until the end. I would think this video is good. I would appreciate to push like, subscribe and bell mark. So let's get started. First, let's make Japanese curry rice. Introduce ingredients: 1 potato, 1 carrot, 1 onion, 300g chicken. In addition to chicken, it is made with beef or pork. Please change it according to your taste. 3 pieces curry roux. I think that the amount of curry roux depends on the product, so please check the display amount. In Japan, S&B or house brand are famous. A little of cumin seed optionally. So let's start cooking. First, peel off the potato and remove the potato eye by using in this part of the peeler. Eating potato eye can make you ill. It is better to remove them before you cook. And peel off the carrot. And then cut the onion 5mm width. If you add the onion, the sweetness will increase. So add a lot of them. Cut the potato bite-sized pieces. If it is too small, it will melt when boiling, so be careful. This size is just right. Cut the carrot into the large chunks. After cutting diagonally, rotate 90 degrees and cut diagonally. Repeat this. And then cut the chicken bite-sized pieces. All ingredients should be the same size except for the onion. Add olive oil, and then add cut onion and a little of salt. On medium heat until the golden brown. The more heat the onion, the sweeter it becomes, but be careful not to burn it. Stir well. Not yet. It is okay. Then add cut chicken. Before boiled, frying chicken bring out umami of it. Add cumin for extra spiciness, but this is optional. Then add a cut potato and carrot and stir lightly. So let's boil and add 500ml water. Add cover and boil again. When bubbles start to appear, change on low heat. Add cover again. So wait for 15 minutes. Before add curry roux, turn off the heat. If you add the curry roux while heating it, it will not dissolve easily and will remain in lumps. Add curry roux and stir well until the dissolving. And turn on the low heat again. After the curry dissolved, it is easy to burn, so heat is over low heat while stirring well. Add 10 minutes later. That's all there is to it. In my house, we use rice with a mixed grain rice for health. Of course, white rice is fine too. And if put curry on it, finish! So let's いただきます。Look at this thick Japanese curry. Just looking at make me drool. It's very rich taste and delicious. Great! And I will introduce another dish using this curry. Let's make curry udon. Introduce ingredients. 1/2 green onion, 2 udon. I use frozen udon but also can be boiled udon. 250g curry. This is the rest of the curry that I introduced in this previous video. 4g dash of bonito. 90ml noodle soup base. That's it only. Let's get started. First, throw frozen udon according to instructions. If you use boiled udon noodles, you don't have to warm them up. And warm up curry in the microwave 600 watts 2 minutes. This step is not necessary, but it is done to save time. For green onions, use the green and white parts separately. Cut the green onion diagonally 5mm width. Prepare the white part as an ingredient. Cut the green onion into the round slice 2mm width. Prepare the green part as a topping. And then add 250ml water. And add 90ml noodle soup base and dash of bonito. Boil on medium heat and wait for bubbles appear. Then add a diagonally cut green onion and curry. And stir well. The taste will change depend on the thickness of the curry and noodle soup base, so please taste and adjust the amount of water or salt. In my case, the taste was too strong, so I add about 50ml water. It is just right to be able to drink deliciously. And then add udon and boil. If you are using udon that has already been boiled, 2 minutes is enough. Let's transfer the noodle to the bowl. Grabbing udon is a difficult task, even for the Japanese people. Also, don't wear white clothes when eating the curry udon. It will have yellow juice. And let's put ingredients and soup. And put on the topping. Finish! So let's いただきます。Let's eat chewy udon. The taste of curry matched perfectly. And the ingredients are the best because the taste is soaked even when it's curry rice. Twice delicious at once. Oh my goodness! Let's make Japanese curry rice and udon. From here, I introduce a traditional Japanese festival in Aomori. It's called Nebuta Festival. It's one of the most spectacular festivals in Japan. That gigantic float called Nebuta. It is made of paper and wire and has 5 meter high, 9 meter wide, 7 meter deep. So big! These are illuminated from within and set up on yatai float and vehicles. When processed in the Aomori Nebuta Parade, a craftsman spends a year making this large Nebuta. At this warasse, successive Nebuta displayed all year round. So should definitely come. Impressed! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like it. See you next time.